Okay, so I put on the flash because the weather's not nice, but we have a lot of warriors here. In the lounge, mind you. As you can see, they're doing well. They're pushing out new growth. I've recently got quite a lot of the silver varieties, but a lot of them are not ready for sale yet because I want to multiply them enough so that if my mother plant gets damaged, I'll have some left. But you can get sort of a good idea of what's here. There's multiples of almost everything, but it's all a work in progress. So for the potting soil right now, I use Coltera's, see this is all new leaves, Coltera's aeroid mix. I use that for everything now. I used to mix my own stuff, and you know what, I just can't be bothered anymore because it works well for me. It drains well, and I know everything dries sort of at the same pace. This dustiness is because I sprayed a foliar feed for them. But as you can see, the foliar feed's working. Look at those new green leaves, and it's supposed to be winter now. So yeah. And here's also nice new growth showing. Those leaves look a bit funky, but yet there's new growth. So I can't wait for that one to get a lot bigger. There's a duplicate of it. And then we even have some down there. Must tell you, it's a massive job to water all of this. I take it to the bath. I've got a hand sprayer, and then I spray everything. You can see that's new leaves, new leaves. This is quite a nice one. And she's happy. She's putting out new growth for me. This is Crassipetiola Splash. Crassipetiolata Splash. Lima Splash. This is, yeah, the one is same as the one there next to me that I showed just now. It's Coriacea Silver, Gunungudding. So there's more. So if I show you, that's those shelves. Okay, I think I can take that fan out. It's be thoroughly into winter. Okay. So here we have pots of things going. So bear in mind, I have so many plants because I sell at the Pretoria Boeremark. And I have a website, which I'm terrible at updating. So I love playing with the plants much more than I like doing admin. And I sometimes forget to let the guys know to update my website. So that's one shelf. Down here's another one that needs a bit of tending, I think. So this is a geyser tray that my husband purchased for me, and then he made this. It's a 3-tier shelf on wheels. I have 2 of them. There's the other one. 3-tier shelf on wheels, and then we put a geyser tray in here. And then I pour the water in there, and it can just use as much water as it needs. These are, that's in a little tray. And that is actually a plastic catering tray. So you can water in there and it doesn't wet the wood. There's a variety of plants. Too much to discuss individually. And as it goes in life, not all propagations make it. So, but it's getting the same treatment as all the others. But I think that tray I've sort of forgot about. And I think it got too dry. And I think it got a bit of root rot. So, here are more plants up at the top. This is a very interesting, this is a silver pilea tree. So, then down here, you can see what's going on here. So as long as you don't wet the crown of the pretty little turtle or the African violets, they do well. They can just carry on. And then I just sort of like remove the dead blooms once they're done. There are a lot of alocasia corms that I got to grow. Down there are plants and props. Here are plants and props. There as well. This is mainly Hoyas. It's too much to discuss one by one. And that I suppose I need to cut and prop. Then we have various boxes all over with plants and props. And then even underneath there are boxes with props. There we have some more. Sphagnum moss. We have stuff hanging on the windows. This is the other side of the shelf. It's like getting a gym workout, but as you can see, the plants are all very happy. Look at this healthy leaves. This might just be a better view. And then we've got more propagations going on there that I'm too scared to plant up.